Today, I'm going to talk about appending tables using the Power Query Editor in Microsoft Excel. So I've created a quick little file here. It's got a date, a territory or sales rep, and how much sales that territory had on that day. I've got a lookup table here. It lists each territory and then the city and state that they're based out of. So I'll open a new file. I'll close that table data. Come into the data tab. I'll get data from a file from an Excel workbook. I'll go in to the file that we were just looking at. I've got these actual worksheets here. And then I've got the tables themselves. So it doesn't really matter. We'll select multiple items and then we'll just select one of the daily sales and one of the lookups. So we'll select the actual tables. I call the tables, I give them an underscore. So I know these are the actual tables. I'll go ahead, transform the data. And now what I want is I want to know the territory, and I want to put the city and the state right here in between territory and sales. So what I'll do is I will merge the queries and I will select the territory field from daily sales. And then I'll select the other table, territory geography. I'll select the territory field from that table. Keep it at a left outer join. I'll hit OK. I'll bring in this territory geography field. I'll bring that in where I want it. And it gives me this little icon here. And this is the icon to expand that column. So if you look at any one, there's really 3 fields that have been appended. So it finds that matching territory, and then it finds the city and the state. So I'll click the expand button. I don't hardly ever want to use the original column name as a prefix, and then I don't need it to repeat the territory for me. I just want it to bring in those new fields, the city and the state. And there you go. Now I have R601 as being in Denver, Tampa. And so I can sort this descending however I want to see it. And then from there, I can sort it either by the territory, or if I didn't want to do that, I would rather see it sorted by date and then by sales. You could sort it like that too. Close and load the data. And it'll give me the date, the territory, city and state of that territory, and then the sales. And it comes through in that exact order that I gave it to it that second time, which is what it saved. So most recent, date, highest to lowest sales.